A very pleasant morning, dear children. I welcome you all for today's class. In the last video, we have discussed about different forms of water, that is physical properties of water, right? Yes. Today, in this video, let us discuss about water can change its form. Water can change its form. Means here, water, in the last video we have discussed it, right? Water has three forms, that is solid, liquid and gaseous, right? Yes. Here, first let us see what is solid. It can change its form, right? From solid to liquid. How it changes from solid to liquid. Take some ice cubes and put it in a bowl, okay? Then leave it for some time. What will you observe, children, after some time? Here, yes, the solid ice melts into liquid, right? The solid water will get converted into liquid, right? That process is called as what? Melting. That is called as what? Melting. For example, melting of ice or heating of ice. Melting of ice is called as solid to liquid. Your solid water get converted into liquid water. That is said to be melting. Example, melting of ice or boiling of ice. Both are same. It changes its forms from solid to liquid. Right? Yes. Next, let us see how the water can change from liquid state to gaseous state. Here, you might have observed, children, when your mama boils water for you to drink, especially in this season, right? Yes. Here, while boiling the water, what happens? The water reaches its certain temperature, like 100 degrees. Then it changes into, it get converted into gaseous form. Means vapors, right? It changes its form from liquid to vapors. That is called as evaporation. Evaporation means the conversion of liquid water on boiling from liquid to gaseous state. That is called as evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of converting liquid water into vapors. That is said to be evaporation. That process is called as evaporation. Next, let us see how the gaseous water will convert it into liquid, from gas to liquid. Here, after boiling the water, the vapors will form, right? Yes. Then you put a plate on the boiling water. Your boiling water forms vapors, right? Like this. You cover that bowl with a plate. Leave it for some time. Then you take out this plate, and what we will observe under the plate, you can see the collection of some water droplets on the lower side of the plate. This process is called as what? Condensation. This process is called as what? Condensation. Here, the boiled water forms vapors. When the vapors get cools or condensed, then it forms a gaseous, then it forms a liquid water. Then the gaseous water changes into liquid form. That process is called as what? Condensation. That process is called as condensation. Then let us see how the liquid water get converted into solid. Dear children, here you want to prepare some ice cubes. What will you do? You have to take an ice trays, right? Ice cube trays, and you have to put the water in them. Pour some water in them, and then you put the tray in a freezer for an hour or 2 hours. After some time, after 2 hours, what will you observe? There is a formation of solid water, right? That is called as ice cubes. The conversion of liquid water into solid, that is called as what? Solidification. That is called as what? Solidification. Means your liquid water get converted into solid, right? Yes, that is called as solidification. Do you understand, children, what is solidification? The liquid water, the conversion of liquid water into demonstrate how the water